In this video we are going to write a code for multiplexer, that is 4 to 1 multiplexer, using 3 different type of modeling. So before starting the video, please subscribe to EC Tutor, then only I can upload videos. So please subscribe to EC Tutor. So first we write the multiplexer 4 to 1 multiplexer using behavioral modeling. And now we are going to write the code for 4 to 1 mux using behavioral modeling. And the explanation about this behavioral modeling we done in our previous video, and I give the link in description. So the important points about this behavioral modeling, it uses always block, and also it uses case statement, if statement, any other conditional statement we can use here in behavioral model only we can use. And another one important point, the output is declared as a register here. So output, what are the output here? We have to declare the output as a register here. So the keyword reg we used for declare the output, and these are the important point about this behavioral modeling. So first we start with the module definition. So module, and next one is module name, any name. Here I give module, this is behavioral modeling means, so I will give BE. Next one is A, B, C, D. This is 4 to 1 mux, so 4 different input. These are the 4 different input, and this is a select line. This is 2-bit select line, and this is the output, mux out. So now we declare the input and output port. So input A, B, C, D are 1-bit input, and select line also input, but the size of the select line is 2. So 1:0, 2-bit. Yes. Next one is output. Already I mentioned that output must declared as a register. So output reg mux out. Mux out is a single bit, so this is given as mux out. Next we define the always block. And always block, here we just give the any condition statement. If you are using clock means, in positive clock only we start the operation, or negative edge of the clock only we start the operation, or any conditional statement we will given in this stage. So always I just give the select line as a conditional here. So next we write the begin. So now we define this 4 to 1 mux using case statement, and the condition here is for case statement, the condition here is select line. Based on that only we can select the output. So select 2-bit 0 0. So whenever the select line is 0 0, mux out equal to A. So whenever the select line is 0 1, 2-bit 0 1 means mux out is B. Whenever the select line is 1 0, mux out is equal to C. Whenever the select line is 1 1 and semicolon, mux out, that is equal to D. So we now just end the case first. So end case. Again the end for always block. So end, this end for this begin. Next overall we conclude the module using end module. So end module. So this is the Verilog code for writing 4 to 1 mux using behavioral modeling. Next we are going to write a code for 4 to 1 mux using data flow modeling. And the module definition is common for all modeling. So first module definition of module, here I use mux df, data flow. So similar to behavioral modeling, S and mux out. So similarly we have to declare the input and output port. Signal S is 2-bit length, so 1:0. Another one is output, and here no need to give a register keyword here, we just mention a output as output. And here in data flow modeling, the design is described using assign statement. And here also I using conditional statement. So I use the assign keyword here and marks out, assign marks out. Now the marks out value will be assigned using the condition I used here, that is S of 1 true means we select this condition. Check the Y C. Else, and this is else condition for this case, this conditional statement, it go for this condition. Okay, now I explain. And this S is a 2 bit, so if you are considering 0 1 means S of 0 bit is 1, S of 1 bit is 0. So this is the bit position. So if you are considering this is 1 mean the statement is true, so it select this condition. So again another one condition here, this S of 0 is 1, it choose D. So now this condition is 1 1, so 1 1 means output is D. Now the statement is fails mean this statement is 0, S of 0 is 0 mean it choose C. That means the condition 0 1, the selection line here is C, output is C. Next, when the case, this case itself failed, that means S of 1 is 0, it moved to this statement and here it checks this is 1. Now S of 1 is 0 and S of 0 is 1 means 0 1 condition. In this condition it choose B. Again if the condition fails here, that is this is 0 means it choose the value A. So now A of 1 also 0, A of 0 also 0, we choose A as the output. And this is the, and we just end the module. And this is the Verilog code for 421 marks using data flow modeling. So next one is structural modeling. So 421 marks using structural modeling. For that we have to find the logic expression. Here I write the logic expression using NAND gate. So the logic expression here is F is equal to A S 1 bar S not bar. This is the selection line, plus B S1 bar into S0 plus C S1 S0 bar plus D S1 S0. So this is the NAND gate realization of this 421 marks. So now we start writing the code for this 421 marks using structural modeling. So similarly same module definition. Module here marks using structural modeling, same A, B, C, D are input and S1, S0 are out, input select line, and marks out is the output. So here input are A, B, C, D, input again S1, S0, S1. So next one is output marks out. So now the condition here is all are NAND gate. So here consider this is the logic diagram of this 421 marks using NAND gate. So now we have to write a code for that. So first we declare the gate module. We are realized using NAND gate here. So give any one number, this gate number, and here this is given as a wire statement because we need a wire to connect all those things. So we need a wire point. So this is considered as W1 and this is considered as W2, the W3, and this is considered as W4 means we have to declare the wire point here. So now wire W1, W2 W3, W4. So first we declare the W1 here, and W1 is nothing but the connection of this. So that is A, and this is a symbol of inversion, NOT gate inversion here. So inversion of S1 comma inversion of S0, because the select line here is inversion S1 of bar S0 of bar, that means the inversion of S1 and S0, that is defined here as inversion of S1 comma inversion of S0. Again another one NAND gate, give one number, this is for W2, the value here is B, inversion of S1 comma S0. Again another one, 4 NAND gate required, NAND X3, that is for W3, so that is C comma S1 comma inversion of S0. And again NAND gate X4, this is for W4, that is D comma S1 comma S0. So now we define the 4 NAND gate. So now we define the 4 NAND gate here. So now we write the code for 4 NAND gate here, and all the 4 NAND gate output is given to this single output. We will get the marks out here. So now another one NAND gate, this is a final NAND gate. So NAND X5, and here this is the output of that gate, and here we get the output as mux out, and input are W1, W2, W3 and W4. So write the input to this NAND gate, W1, W2, W3, W4. So now we get the marks out here. We just end the module, end module. So this is the structural modeling for realizing the 4 to 1 mux.